Bro, what's going on with this fucking bird, bro? I don't know what the fuck. This bird gonna start flying around me. It was this close to flying in my face, man. And all of a sudden, yeah, it's these Trump clouds. They're just flying around. But it's like the way it's flying and stuff is like it ain't got no, I don't know what the fuck, man. I don't know what the fuck. It just happened to just start flying around me and stuff, weird shit. You see it? I don't know what the fuck going on with these fucking birds. Look, you see the weird shit? I know it's picking some stuff, but look how it's just flying. Weird shit. What the fuck going on, bro? What going on with that bird, bro? Weird shit, man. Look, you see the weird shit? They're just flying weird. I know they got a lot of birds over there and shit, but it just been... What the fuck? Now they got some kind of looking plants flying around and stuff, but it just happened. Look, see, weird shit. They got some kind of feathers around and stuff, but I mean, I don't know what's going on with these fucking birds, man. What the fuck, man? Better go the fuck on, stop flying the fuck around me like that, man. Because these chemtrails, ain't no chemtrails, but it was chemtrails before. I know there's some little flurry stuff they picking and stuff. I know it's from the plants, but man, look, man, ain't no birds don't act like that, man. What the fuck, man? I don't know what the fuck, man. Same old though, man. It's just how these birds can behave with these frequency weapons and energy weapons they be shooting at it. You hear an airplane coming past me right now, but it's gonna be the same old fucking same old. Alright.